Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be analyzing ADHF using our strategy. So let's go for it without wasting any time. This is going to be under 10 minutes, so you have to be attentive and follow step by step. So what happens here is ADHF. This is the 1 hour time frame. According to our strategy and our rules, we have to go to the highest time frame. So I'm just going to be typing the rules here as I analyze the market. So this is go to the high time frame. So rule number 1 is go to your highest time frame, and my highest time frame is always and always the weekly time frame. So the moment you open a clean chart like this, when it has nothing on it, whichever time frame you are, you have to go to your highest time frame, so which is the weekly time frame for me. So now I'm on my highest time frame. After reaching the highest time frame, rule number 2, what do I want to do? I want to mark my structures. Mark structures on the highest time frame. So rule number 2 tells me to mark my structures on the highest time frame. My structures are already marked, but I'm just going to delete them such that I can remark them again when you guys are seeing, such that you can follow. So I'm just going to delete the structures. So mark your structures on the highest time frame. Which structures are you marking? You're marking support and resistance. You're marking demand and supply zones if you can see them. You're marking any chart patterns if you can see them. So now here, the structures I'm going to mark, one, there is this zone up here, this one here. Go to the line chart if you want to mark them well. So there is a zone up here, and then there is a zone down here. So I only see two valid zones. Where is this one? There's a zone down here. Those are my two zones, the structures that I'm going to mark, one to the upside, one to the downside, like that. Now what else do you want to do in the high time frame? You want to identify the trend of the market. The trend is bearish. However, right now we are in a correction phase, or what we call a retracement back to the resistance. So what is the candle that we see? We see a bullish candle approaching resistance. Whenever we're approaching resistance, what is our immediate thought? The immediate thought is we are likely to start selling. Good and perfect. So now the weekly time frame tells us we are likely to be selling than not buying. So that is rule number 2. Now rule number 3, what does rule number 3 say? After identifying your structures and also going to a highest time frame, number 3, you want to drop to medium time frame. Drop to medium time frame. What is my medium time frame? My medium time frame is always and always the daily time frame, because I use the weekly as the highest time frame. So I drop down to my medium time frame. What do you want to do on your medium time frame? On the medium time frame, this is where you want to refine your support and resistance zones, or demand and supply zones. You want to refine your zones on the medium time frame, correct them to where they're supposed to be. On the medium time frame is where you want to also identify the immediate trend of the market. What is the immediate trend here? Price is approaching resistance, so we are in an uptrend. However, what do we want to do? We want to start selling because we're approaching resistance. So now the medium time frame is telling us to wait because price is just approaching resistance. And also you want to support those demand and supply zones. I can see a supply zone here, very clean zone. So this zone is what we call rally base drop. We broke structure here and price dropped very well to the downside. This is indecision candle and good engulfing candle, showing you there is a lot of sellers at this zone. Look at that bearish candle, showing you that we have a lot of sellers at this zone. So that is good. Now I teach these things, guys, in my book, how to draw the zones very well, how I break down the strategy from where you come from the highest time frame, dropping down to the lower time frame, when you get your entries. And I also talk about which kind of trader you are. People were asking me about different time frames you want to use. Your scalper, your time frames are aligned there in the book. Your swing trader, you're there. Your position size trader, you're there. Your day trader, your time frames are also there. Now don't ask me here, guys. Buy the book, they are there. That is the only way you'll be supporting me. When you buy the book, you access all that information there. And I've also included the strategy on how to grow small accounts the right way, using the right strategy, a breakdown on how to grow the right way, because this is a tested and proven strategy from $50 at least, how to grow from your account from $50 the right way, the proper risk management that you're supposed to use, and how to trade it until when it can reach to some reasonable amounts of money. So purchase the book, and then you're going to be finding that information there. The link is in the bio. You can also use the WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Click the link that is in the description, join the free Telegram group, and you can inbox me there for the book. I'm going to be giving you the book. Also, people who want mentorship, just inbox me, click the link in the description, go come to my free Telegram group. There's a pinned link there. Click on it, you'll bring it to my inbox. Ask for mentorship. And guys, if you want mentorship or the book, please come straight to the point. Tell me you want a mentorship or you want the book. Do not come with the things of stories. Oh, discounty. Oh, I'm not giving any discounts. The mentorship is $100. The book is $10. Whatever you want, just come and tell me. Please come for business, because I'm always busy. Some people come, you want to buy the book, but you first rotate around, ask a lot of questions before you can buy the book. Sometimes I won't get time to reply you. Come straight to the point. Tell me you want the book, and I'll give you the book. Tell me you want mentorship, you'll pay, and then I'll add you to the mentorship group where I have my private group. So make sure, if you don't want all of that, it is okay. I always have free classes. So click and join my free Telegram group. On Saturday, I teach you how to analyze the market for free. So either way, you'll be benefiting. So now let's continue. So now, after rule number 3, you have dropped to the medium time frame. What else you want to do? You have refined your zones, refined your supply zones and demand zones. You have refined your supply and resistance zones. What else do you want to do? And guys, the knowledge I'm giving you here is premium knowledge. You're not going to find this knowledge anywhere. You are not. You can keep moving, but you're not. No one is going to give you things like this, a step-by-step breakdown of a strategy. No. So if you join my mentorship, you're going to get this and more. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to look out for confirmations on the medium time frame. Confirmations on the medium time frame. So what are your confirmations? You're going to look for rejection candles. Since we had support, you're looking to sell rejection candles and then indecision candles. Now, rejection candles and indecision candles are they vary according to the zone. One is more stronger than the other. However, they are all valid. If you want to learn about them, click the link in the description or in my bio, join the Telegram group and ask me, inbox me and ask me about the book, because it has all the candles that you need, only the candles that matter, only the ones that matter. Okay, so after getting the confirmation, okay, let's first play price and we get the confirmation. So now we get this bearish candle showing us that indeed there's a bearish momentum there. Then we get this rejection candle to the downside. You see this rejection candle, that is my confirmation to go to the lower time frame to look for entries. Now after confirmation, the last rule number 4 is drop to entry time frame or lower time frame. So now rule number 4 says drop to the entry time frame or lower time frames for your entries. So I'm just going to drop to my entry time frames. After this, I think let me use the 4 hour, because people complain a lot that I use the 6 hour, but it is the same. You see, now on the 6 hour I already have an entry there, because this is a head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder, and it is also retesting the supply zone on the 6 hour. But ideally I would enter from here, because me, I'm used to these things, I have the experience too. I enter from here and then target the downside like that. That is 130 pips. Risk to reward is 1:5. But let me use the 4 hour, because you people don't want high time frames. But even on the 4 hour, you can see it. 4 hour, even the stop loss would be so tight. It is a sniper entry on the 4 hour. So it goes to now 1:6 on the 4 hour. You see it? It goes to 1:6. And what are the entry triggers? This is also a head and shoulder. This is the best head and shoulder that I would like to enter from, where you have a high, a low, a higher high and a lower low. This is a QM pattern, turning at my resistance zone, turning at my demand and supply zone. That is going to be excellent for me to now look for entries. So what is going to happen is price is going to start dropping because your zone is valid. So now after price drops down there, I see another supply zone, clean zone here. So this is going to be a very good zone for another entry. You're not just going to enter this one full entry and that is that. No, the moment price continues creating clear supply zones, you mark them and wait for price to come there, and you keep on selling. You can enter 2, 3, 4 trades depending on the zones that are provided to you by price action. And again, guys, if you want to learn these things, inbox me on Telegram, or my WhatsApp number is there, and ask for mentorship. Guys, you'll have to pay for mentorship whether you want it or not. If you want to learn Forex, you'll have to pay at some point. You're not going to be watching all of the videos and you learn. That is why it becomes tricky. You'll have to pay at some point. You'll have to come and get a mentorship, or you'll go, oh, okay, you might not pay me, but you'll have to pay someone else for mentorship. No one will tell you that you're going to learn all the things on your own. Even me, I learned them. Trust me, I'm a very wise person. I learned them, but at some point, I knew, my brains told me, you'll have to pay for someone to give you clarity. So guys, you'll have to come and pay. You can take your time, but I know the end game, I know how it will end. So if you're ready, if you have decided and you're ready, please just inbox me on my WhatsApp or the Telegram channel. The link is in the bio. All the links are in the bio and the description of the video. Inbox me and ask for mentorship. Do not come to bargain. I'm not giving any discount because I know you people, what you guys are doing is that you are given discount, you want to pay in two or 1 month. After you have learned, you run away without paying. Within 2 weeks, you've learned, you run away without paying the balance. So, no discount. Inbox with your $100 for mentorship or $10 for the book. No what. Just come straight to the point. You want the book, you want mentorship, and then I'll give you. The only thing you can discuss before you enter the mentorship is about the time that you're going to be learning. So, let's proceed. So, price comes back to the zone, picks our orders because this is a valid supply zone, picks our orders and then starts dropping down. So now you just want to wait for another clear break of structure and then a supply zone, and then you enter. So price continues to the downside and then creates another supply zone here. We have another one here. Very good supply zone. So mark it. If price comes back there, you have another entry and then you take your trade. This is a break of structure here. So you have a good supply zone there. Let me just go to the 6 hour because the candles are becoming bigger and bigger. Yeah, so the zone is here, very clean. So just wait for price to come to the zone and then we'll continue. So you see price retested into that supply zone and then continue to the downside. So where is it? So far that is where we are. Now price already hit our take profit. This is the wick that hit our take profit. This is supply zone that price reacted from for the next entry. So we had only 2 entries here, 1, here 2, and price is currently still at that zone. But here we already hit our take profit with this wick here. Now this is how you go about the market in less than 10 minutes the right way. You just have to follow the market, what it is doing, and then price is going to hit your take profit. First, you have to know the confirmations that you need on which time frame. Then second, you have to be patient and wait price to go to your take profit because you know where price is going. So I think that is all for now. I don't want this video to be long. Kindly don't forget to like the video, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm always giving you premium content, and most of you guys that are watching my content are not yet subscribed to the channel, so hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like the video if you've learned something out of it. You want mentorship or the book? Click the links in my bio and the description. Come to my WhatsApp or Telegram group and ask for mentorship straight away. Do not come to bargain. There is no bargaining there. Okay guys, so I think that is all for today. We shall meet in the next one. Bye.